Hey guys, I'm going to Home Depot right now to pick up some flower pots and paint them later. I didn't want to go alone, so I'm meeting Caitlin there, so that'll be interesting. But I'll vlog when I get there because vlogging and driving is dangerous, and just be safe. Okay, we made it to Home Depot, and I'm here with Caitlin. She made it. And right now we're going pee because priorities. And I don't know, I guess we'll go find flower pots soon. Okay, we got the flower pots and now we're gonna go into Jack's Pets and look around. Look at the cute hamsters! Those birds are making out right there.
Okay, now those two birds are making out. Okay, go. No! Oh, wow, I got the ceiling. Oh no! Okay, I got it. Ugh. Oh, I caught it. That would have made it in the cart. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh no. What happened? Where did it go?
I don't know.
Oh no. Wait. What the heck? Where did it go? Oh, okay. Wait, I found it. It's right here. I don't know how it got there. Well, okay, we're gonna have a first person bubble cam. First person bubble cam.